what's up guys, it's me, here. Instead, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna play some, you know what we're gonna play. Flappy Bird. Yeah, sorry I haven't made a video in forever. It's just, yeah. Okay. So, I played this a couple times, and then my brother played it on my pod, and then he set a high score, so. What? Okay. So, I watched him play, and so he flap. Okay. What is this? Psych. Okay. Let's turn up some tunes. Right now. Let's do this. Okay. Oh my. Yay, I scored 5. Yay. 57 was my brother's high score. If I can get to 10 by the end of this video. Never mind. How about this? If I cannot suck. Alright. If I can get to 10. Okay. Okay. Ooh. 10, baby, 10. Okay. I can do this. You dudes think I can do this, right? Right? It's not going. It's broken. It's broken. Come on. Alright, let's put on some montage music. Start now.
Better choose carefully, 'cause I'm capable of anything, and everything. Make me your Aphrodite, make me your one and only.
Bronze medal. Well, I hope you like this short video. Yeah, I hope you like this short video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool stuff like I do Minecraft stuff. And yeah, but I'm not getting that much support because I just started, so I hope you subscribe, like the video. I will love you forever. Again, this is Ricky. I'll see you guys later.
The beat go hard though.